first step is to go to your Play Store, and then you go to the search area. You search for AnimGrow. Then you'll find it here. AnimGrow. Then I have it installed already, so I'll just open it. So let me open it. Now this is what we have. You can enter as a user or just a normal customer. You can go in as a farm. Maybe you are a seller and you have a farm. You can enter your farm ID and the unique code. The same way for a user as well. So the first step, we are going to enter as a user. So you enter as a user because it's a testing phase. We want you guys to give us feedback on the interface and the various features that we want to use. We just basically enter the market for now, right? Normally when it is fully done with the backend, we'll be adding the restrictions, but here we are going to enter the market. And now this is how you see the flow, right? So here is down here is the marketplace. You go here, this is where you see manage all your tickets, and this is your profile page. In the market here, you can see the top here, the number of purchases, the pending, or all the farms that you have saved. And then here, market intelligence is just exploring the total amount of things bought in the market so far: catfish and tilapia, cattle and livestock, giving you a general overview of how the market is doing in the local farm industry. So here you have these things arranged as well in category. You can either search or look for them. If you are looking for cattle, these are the farms that sell cattle. Goat and sheep, these are the farms that do their poultry. This is the only farm. Eggs, this is the only farm that does that. And you go to all where you can explore them. So if you enter, for example, into one of the farms, you'll be able to see this interface where you see the farm, the minimum order, the delivery hours, and then whether the status, whether it's open now or not. Now this is what they may be selling, an example of things that they may be selling. And then for you to see any of the items, you need to, now for this one, general animal feed, right, or mature bull, or let's say beef cow liver. So cow liver, for example, you want to buy, you can add it to create, and the ticket will pop up at the bottom. So we are buying one, or you can buy two, and then the ticket will be updating at the bottom. You can buy another one, another thing, as many as possible. Then when you are done, satisfied what you want to buy from this farm, you can click on the ticket to view the ticket, and then see the whole receipt. Cow liver to twice 60 Ghana cedis and all this stuff, right? You see the overview of what you want to buy, then you can confirm the ticket, and then it will be sent. Now we go back, we go to the ticket side, and then on the ticket side we see a breakdown of your expenses for the current month that you are in so far. Those that require actions right now are here in progress and tickets. So there are various phases, right? When you create a ticket for the first time, I'm going to off for now. When you go to create a ticket for the first time, let me go to this particular ticket, for example, that needs an attention. So the first time you create a ticket, like the one you ordered right now, recently, when you order something to create a ticket, and then the escrow team will be in the middleman, that will tell you, that will also confirm on their end that the cash has been confirmed, and then the seller has been notified. So now the seller say that the seller has shipped the items to you, but you as a seller, you need to actually, you as the buyer, you need to also confirm that you received the items. So here we are. So the seller has confirmed. That is the status journey. So the seller has confirmed. So you are here to now confirm that okay, the item has reached your side. So you are coming here to confirm. And now so when you confirm, you have to rate them, and the comment is optional. When you are done, you can just click on submit. When you submit, then you know that okay, now the status journey has moved from the seller confirmed to customer confirmed. Now customer confirmed. So now the transaction will be closed when the escrow team pays the actual farmer after you have confirmed. So your money will be with the team until you have confirmed the reception of the item that you have bought or ordered. Then the escrow team will now pay the farmer that issued or sold the items to you. That's the receipt side. So you can see this one is attention right now, this one and the ones in progress. Here it means that the payment is secured. We are waiting for the seller to confirm, so you don't take any action here. Then this one you just created a ticket, so the payment has not been secured yet by the middle team, so you are still at the first phase. That's the various state of the listing. By history, for example, this one has been completed. It means that you have confirmed. Right now, this one, the ticket is closed. It means that everybody has been paid, everyone has confirmed, a transaction has been closed, so the farmer has also been paid. Then the ticket is finally closed. We are the various stages. Now if you go to the profile side, on the profile side we can see your wallet. Right, it's a top up. You can top up down, so that when you want to buy anything, you get it immediately. You can see your wallet. Then on your wallet you can top up any amount that you want to top up, and always change to bank card or mobile money. Then you can confirm your payment, then it will be done. You can also withdraw if you want to withdraw your money, bank details or this thing. There are default one, or you can actually enter a different number if you don't want to send to yourself. And then here you see the history of all your payments, all your transaction, ticket payment, wallet top up, points redemption. And then we are also adding, based on some encouragement, to get green point, and this green point can later be converted into cash that you can use to that can cater for your delivery and other stuff. Yeah, so these are the other stuff like edit your profile and other stuff. Let's go to the marketplace again. At the top here you can see, at the top here where there is the greeting, good afternoon Francis, at the top there is a particular farmhouse there, an icon there, that if you click on it, here you want to switch to your farm portal. At one, you are a user, but you may own a farm, so you can quickly go to your farm, or if you have added a farm already, you can quickly access them by creating, or you can even go and register a new farm, order to register a new farm. Then we'll have all the details, the name and everything, then the things you sold. Then you are confirming that we can come and verify your location, then so that we can actually get the farm for you. Then we have that done for you as well. This is the user flow. Let's cancel this and go in it as a farmer now. So we are going in as a farmer now, so I'm entering a farm. So as a farmer, you are able to state yourself as either you are offline or online by clicking the one at the top here beside the bell button. Right now we are online, so what happens is that you can see your average rating, your total revenue in December or in the current month, and also you'll be able to see all the urgent tickets that need attention. You can actually get them here, down here, or you can go here to view all of them. So and then farm pulse is basically about giving you an idea of how the market is operating, so that you adjust your prices or also respond accordingly. So goals are high demand risk, also giving you tips on how to manage your own. So for the ticket as well, so the same thing, you need action, awaiting, and this is here we are waiting the customer to confirm. So you are the seller now, you have stock release now, you are waiting for the customer to confirm the ticket at their end for the money to be paid to you. So this one, it has been paid, so the customer says it's completed, but then this one is when the thing has been paid, this particular ticket has been paid. And then here is where you need action. Right, you are the farmer now, so payment has been secure. What you have to do now is to confirm that yes, item is ready for pickup and delivery. You have to confirm here, and then the user or the buyer will be notified that the thing has been released, so they are on the way delivering it to them. So that's the various things here. So now we go to the second one, livestock, where you are managing your various you are managing your various um, animals that you are growing, for example. So here, white broilers for example, you enter, you see there are 350 that you have released on the market. In total, you have total stock is 500, but the one you have made available at 500, so in reserve is 150. You can at any time update that by just entering the number that you want to make available. Let's say 3 in the market, you update the availability. You can see on market there is 3 now, and then the 407 reserve. You can change that at any point in time to make sure that but then you cannot do more than the maximum that you have. So let's say you can update that anytime, the quantity that you are making available in the market, and then people will be able to see. And then in this, for the white broilers for example, you can log an event, meaning that maybe you went to buy vaccine for them, you have made an expense on them, or you have made an update that you want to, or you got some money from this transaction or whatever. So you can log an event, whether that event is an expense, a loss or death of something, or a harvest, or a simple note that you want to add. Right? If it's an expense, it's going to be a minus. So you add a title. So let me say vaccination for example. Then quantity involved, let's say 23. Cost value, let me say 12. And then let me say whom. Cost paid to the doctors, basically. So I'm saving this log, so you can see that just now vaccination, what you have done is a cost, which has been added here, and a minus thing has been added. So this is what you have here right now. Yeah, so this is how to log the event and as well. Then you can go back, you can do the same thing for other stuff like this one too. You can also update it to get some in the market, and then it will be doing that. So 10 is in the market, 190 are in reserve, and that's how you manage them quickly. And then all purchase and rating, update your stuff. So the same flow for user in your wallet. This is the farmer's wallet. You can withdraw or top up. You can get your financial reports. This one is a preview, just a simple preview of one, and you can download the CSV file for your financial report for that particular month, or you can change the month by selecting another month that you want to get the financial reports of everything in your farm, and then you can quickly log out. Yeah.